Okay, guys, we have another sale. Okay, it's called the Magic Moment Sale. It's, of course, a VR sale. It's running through May 19th, which is when this video first came out or is out, through May 26th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So that's with that, not Eastern time, Pacific time. So you will have a little bit more time there with that, I guess, depending on what time zone. But yeah, that sale. Let's actually explore a little bit about it. Okay. Home sports. Home sports. Think of home sports as the VR version of what is it called? Wii Sports. I played a lot of Wii Sports back in the day. Haven't really played home sports a lot, but yeah, I've seen people play it and it's giving Wii Sports type vibes. So that's pretty good with that. I'm not gonna go over every game, but I am going to go over certain games that I either wanted to check out or that I've checked out and that I enjoy. Also, I'll put a link in the description below to some games that I personally recommend that you check out based on the fact that I think they might be good or I've heard good things or stuff like that. So definitely keep that in mind. Actually, both of these I'm interested. I'm shocked to see they are on the list. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see. The Sugar Mess. I remember playing this game. I was pretty terrible at this game. If you want to check it out, feel free to check it out on my other channel. Vamp Play. Just go there, search Sugar Mess. You'll see me be terrible at it. Dungeons of Eternity. If I remember, that was basically like I couldn't even get past the first area, honestly. But I had just began my VR journey, so I didn't, you know, I'm already making excuses, but feel free to check it out. It's on that channel as well. But I do recommend these games. They are both very solid games, honestly. Yeah. Sugar Mess and Dungeons of Eternity. If you like a VR version of some kind of dungeon crawler slash Souls like ish game, then you'll enjoy that quite a bit, I think. And then let's find another noteworthy game. But yeah, there's a lot here. I'll put the link here to this in the description below. Ooh, look at that game. It's only $5. Man, it's sale. There is a lot on sale here, honestly. Like a whole lot on sale. Yeah. Yeah, so definitely if you're into VR games or you're thinking about getting into VR games, there are so much on sale in the sale. Like I said, I'll leave below some of the ones that I recommend because I've either personally played or heard good things about. So definitely feel free to check that out. Of course, these are going to be for the Meta Quest 3, but also Meta Quest 3S, and maybe even the Meta Quest 2 for some of them, because not every game is only for Meta Quest 3 or 3S. I know a lot of games these days are meant to be played on the 3 or the 3S for graphic reasons, but some of them will work on 2. Honestly, I'm really interested in the idea of the Twilight Zone VR. Yeah. That seems to intrigue me a bit, just because I grew up watching reruns of the Twilight Zone. So yeah, it's it's pretty interesting. I remember the first episode I saw was Beauty in the Eye of the Beholder, and I remember I was shocked. I was so shocked that the whole episode she looked, human like, and I thought because I expected like a disfigured face because they were all talking about how she didn't look good and stuff. I was like, hey, rude, but I guess they got messed up in the, yeah. But it was like an ending. Oh, I just spoiled like a bazillion-year-old show. Man, I just called myself old with that, calling it a bazillion-year-old show. But yeah, but my favorite episode, I don't know why I'm talking about this right now, but my favorite episode is probably Midnight Sun, I believe it was called. But the episode most people probably recognize because they meme like crazy is the episode where he had time. The dude that he basically wants everyone to go away, everything to go away so he can read other books. Well, that finally happens, and then he drops his glasses, and then he's like, but I had time. So, yeah. But speaking of time, it is about time for me to wrap this up because I just kind of started talking about Twilight Zone. I'll put Twilight Zone VR on the thing too. Maybe something to check out. If any of you guys check out Twilight VR, the Twilight Zone VR before I get to, definitely let me know what you guys think of it because honestly, I am interested. I see it has a 3.7 rating, but you can't always go about ratings with VR. Okay, it's either hit or miss. I say that because there are some people that like their first game in VR maybe makes them motion sick and maybe they rank it low because they're not used to VR, but there's also some cases where the ranking is spot on and it's not as great as it should be. So yeah, I wonder what Twilight Zone is. You know what? Yeah. If I do check it out, definitely stay tuned to either here or my other YouTube channel, Vamp Plays. But yeah, I'm going to end this video off here. Hopefully you found this helpful in some way, shape, or form. And feel free to let me know if you're going to be picking something up from this sale. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.